I'm Lady Danili, so I'm a content creator in the Philippines. So right now, I just wanted to ask a little question about you para at least we will be able to help more fellow Filipinos, diba? To equip them with financial freedom. So ngayon, I wanted to learn and know, what do you do for a living?
By the way, I'm Paolo Mercado. So they know me as Peso Mercado. I'm also a content creator in the Philippines. Yeah, so I do contents. Follow me on TikTok. I run several businesses. So as of the moment, I'm building my foundation in e-commerce. Then I'm in food business, Other Price, check it out. Franchising and business consultation.
I see. So what can you advise to our fellow Filipinos or watcher right now to help them, of course, find their financial freedom in life?
Just start. Simple as that. Just start. Most of the people complicate things. That's why hindi sila nakaka-abante, di ba? Kasi nga, just an example, if you want to start a business and then marami kang technicalities na iniisip, lagi mong iniisip, kailangan ko to, marami kang prerequisites, right?
Yeah.
Like, kailangan ko ng ganito, kailangan ko ng ganyan. Hindi ako makapag-start pag wala akong ganito, hindi ako makapag-content pag wala akong iPhone or what. Right? Correct. So, sa sobrang dami mong technicalities or prerequisites na iniisip, hindi ka nakapagsimula. Tinatalo ka ng mga hindi naman ganun kagagaling, pero sobrang bibilis mag-execute. Well, doon na nila ini-iterate sa along the way na lang, di ba? So, for me, the best thing to do is just start. And then, kung ano mangyari, magkaroon ka ng problema, just solve it along the way.
Okay. Thank you so much. So, sa mga overthinker dyan, magtumigil na kayo, mag-start lang kayo, guys. So,
Yes.
thank you so much and nice
Thank you
meeting
so much.
you.
Nice meeting you.